Hi guys, it's Rumor here. Today I'm going to talk about affiliate site ranking drop. The problem. Losing Google rankings for any affiliate site is sometimes a natural disaster. It happens all of a sudden. You can prepare for it, and you add new content, you set up new internal optimization, you're working on conversion, you're looking at competitors, trying to scale, and then at one moment, you go into the statistics and see an incredible drop in positions and traffic. Sometimes it happens gradually, sometimes quickly. So many months of years of work are lost. So, is this the end of the business? Don't worry, you came out to the right video. Watch it until the end and you'll be able to fix the issue and recover in Google positions. It is important to immediately identify possible ranking drop issues due to which this could happen and quickly implement changes to the website and your SEO settings in order to restore lost rankings and traffic as quickly as possible. And here comes the questions. How do I do it quickly? Can this be fixed at all? How long does it take Google to get my site back into the rankings? How to understand the reason for the ranking drop? Can I do it myself or do I need professional help? So the solution. I have my consulting service in such matters. I've been working on my affiliate sites for about 20 years now, and I created, promoted, and probably managed 100 of websites. I spent months trying to find a solution and fix everything, and often it didn't work. So my current sites have been live for years despite any updates in good positions. I restore them when they fall in the rankings and continue to make money on them. I know how to buy an expired domain and create a new money site on it. I know how successful affiliate sites live for years on the top of Google search. It's not only about the technical or SEO issues, it's all about the patterns I learned during the years. The real patterns Google used to destroy affiliate sites. I insist, Google is trying to follow affiliate and demote their rankings. Why? Because Google counts affiliate sites as useless, garbage. So the first thing you can do is contact me for help. This is your first step to recover your website, even if it lost rankings long time ago. Check out my website and what I can offer you as a solution to your rankings drop. A checklist of the most necessary actions that you should do right now if your site has fallen in rankings. So first, you need to log into the Google Webmaster panel and see all the reports for your site. Pay particular attention to the error section. Often I had a 5xx error on the site due to which I lost rankings. It's time to change hosting. Also check for possible indexing errors and traffic reports. Collect data on which keywords and which pages have been affected. You need to understand the scope of the problem. Second, if you were engaged in placing backlinks to the site, this could lead to a problem, especially if you bought some backlink packages on Black Hat forums. Make a disavow file and add it to Google if you understand what links might be causing the problem. Third, check page speed. You should always check this metric to ensure Google doesn't penalize you for a slow website. 4. Core Web Vitals has been a ranking factor for a long time. Don't ignore it. 5. Website hack. How many sites today are affected? Remote scripts create pages with links to various casino websites, for example. Google crawls sites and may flag yours in its search results if it's hacked. Of course, their rankings immediately drop. In addition, there may be a message the site is hacked next to it. Check the site in the security service and quickly fix all the hacks. 6. User-generated content. This can be related to blog comments or forum spam. I recommend that you disable them altogether and get rid of user-generated content. It often happens that you change your approach to publishing content. You have more small articles, many pages without content, duplicate pages. All this urgently needs to be removed and only high quality pages indexed again. 8. Check internal site optimization. Link structure, meta tags, all this can affect your rankings. 9. Website design or structure update. Bring back the old site structure or design if you think it may have affected rankings. 10. If you can find some of your pages in the index, check your sitemap, especially if it doesn't update automatically. 11. EAT. Today it's very important that your affiliate site has pages that characterize it as an expert website, about the author, terms and conditions, disclaimer, privacy policy, contact form. Look at the websites of your competitors and do the same, add same pages. 12. If you have an affiliate website and you put a lot of affiliate links on it, put them in Go redirects and index those links. This can be done in WordPress plugins like Thirsty Affiliates. 13. With affiliate sites, everything is generally difficult. Google hunts for them and tries where possible to get rid of them in ratings. That's why it's so important not to fall into the category of email websites. Keep the balance between a quality expert website and an affiliate website when you need to post affiliate links in articles in order to sell. Don't post affiliate links in every article. It's suspicious for Google. Try to add some expert content, post links to authority websites, write down references under the articles, use table of contents, don't post articles under the same author. 14. Check the backlinks to your website. Often losing meaningful backlinks can lead to ranking losses. Write to the owner of the website that linked it to have the link restored. 15. Over optimization. Aggressive SEO is unacceptable on affiliate websites. Fix it. Now about the outbound links to the other websites. Don't post this because it can lead to ranking losses, especially if you have a lot of outbound links. 17. Bounce rate. Often after changing the structure of the website or pages, you can see a deterioration in engagement rates, not an improvement. Monitor stats and improve user experience on the site. Add good formatting, H1, H2, H3 tags. Create a quality structure of the content. 18. Snippets CTR. It should always be high if you want pages to rank highly. 19. Google algorithm changes. Unfortunately, due to its updates, it often happens that Google simply restored sites and you were not included in the list of those whom it brought to the first places. In this case, you need to look at which sites became the first and strive to look like that. 20. Redirects. Be careful with them. If your site has moved or you have some 301 redirects from other domains, all these can affect the rankings. 21. Manual or algorithm penalties. Check this in the Google Webmaster panel and quickly remove possible problems. I went through all these many times with my site. If you still want to be helped to identify your problems, please get in touch with me for advice. At the same time, there is no guarantee that you will accurately determine the problem or range of problems and that their correction will lead to the restoration of the ratings. So the result, your improvements will definitely help increase the traffic in rankings. Given the frequent Google updates, this may happen very soon. If the problem is serious and related to penalties, you must wait for a core update. You just can't help but fix the mistake and try to recover because this is your website where you have invested so much. Have you lost ratings? Tell me about it in the comments below this video. I will gladly answer you.